What's going on, guys? It's Roger, and you're back on Obsessed with the Fix. Today, we got this here 2004 Mercury Grand Marquis. The crossover gaskets are leaking. It's losing water. So we're going to take this whole intake off, change the gaskets, get it to where it's not leaking, get some antifreeze in it for the winter time, and get it all fixed up. First, I'm going to take this here plastic beauty cover off. I just use the flat head. It's a square. I just use the flat head to break it free. This is my flat head. I just use it in there. This is knee braking work here. Them old knees. Alright, he's off. We gotta take all this off. The throttle body, fuel injectors, everything has to come off. The EGR, everything has to come off. So, let's get into it, guys. Now what we're hoping is we can just take all this apart, replace the gaskets, and put it back together. But it is a plastic intake. Yeah. And you know what happens with plastic, right? It cracks. Loosen these here two flathead screws. Pop this dude out. Pop that dude off, and he's off. Now what we're gonna do next, that looks like 4 10mm for that there alternator bracket. I'm gonna just start unplugging stuff. Need to go ahead and disconnect that ground from the battery. And he's off. I'll take this here cruise line off. Get it off and out the way. Throttle cable. Oh, that's all plastic. I like that. We don't like that at all. That's plastic, y'all. I don't know where that goes. Do y'all? That's a very crappy setup there for Got them all out without breaking them. How about that? It's a miracle. See, her throttle body's held on by 5/16. I'll take this here thermostat housing off of this dude. Got this here bracket right here. That one's not going back in. Sorry, guys. We're not gonna put that one back in. Sorry. Yeah, that dude there. Take these here 5/16 off of this here doodad. Take these 5/16 right here off. And get that heater core hose out. All the coil packs and injectors are unplugged. Yes, sir. I should be able to take this out and just flip it over, right? Now we're gonna undo all these coil packs. Yeah. Well, guys, we couldn't complete this one. Took it all down, and the plastic was just all cracked up. So we had to order a new one, and it'll be here Tuesday, but with my work schedule, I'll come back next Sunday, get this dude put back on with new gaskets, and get it all fixed up. So that's it. That's part one on the Mercury Grand Marquis intake manifold gaskets and crossover gaskets, all that. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.